Let me tell you that how I remove my public fear. What happens that sometimes when we go to the public, we get a kinds of scaredness among the people, that what people will think about me. Let me tell you that how you can remove this fear. If you are getting any kinds of fear, then be with me and just do what I'm doing. Okay, you don't need to get any kinds of fear among the people, that what people will think. Look at here, so many people, and they don't even thinking about me, that what I'm doing, nothing, because do not have time to think about me, and I'm recording myself in front of everybody, you can see here, and they don't even care about me. भैया आप कुछ सोच रहे हैं क्या मेरे बारे में, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ तो नहीं ना? तो इसलिए कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि हमें डर लगता है पब्लिक के बीच में रिकॉर्ड करने का, तो ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए क्या डर? हाँ भैया, भैया ऐसा कुछ डर होना चाहिए क्या पब्लिक? अपना कीजिए, है ना? So nobody cares about you, that what the hell you are doing. Okay, just come in the public and just talk about yourself, record yourself. Just look at around me. There are so many people around me, and they do not even care about me. What I'm doing, I'm just recording myself. Sometimes what happens, I think that even I'm going to fall down, but I will not fall. Okay, जैसे भैया ऐसा होता है ना कि हम लोग कभी कभी सोचते हैं कि हम लोग जो है पब्लिक में जाएंगे तो वो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, तो ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? तो so no, but everybody know nothing is like that. So just record yourself, come in the public and tell public that I'm not scared of anything. Okay, I'm not scared of public, I'm not scared of anything. Here let me explain this scenario. This is the DVC, you can see here so many people have come to visit, and I'm not going to tell myself that I'm scared. I'm completely confident, and I'm building my confidence, and nobody is going to care about me. If I'm going to show about people, let me show about the people. Sometimes what happens that we get any kinds of fear, that what people will think about me if I will go to talk to the people, I will record myself in front of people, among the people. Look at here, so many people, but they don't even care about me, that what I'm doing. Okay, so please stop thinking about the people, what they will think about you. They do not have time to think about you, and you are not that much special about the people. Okay, just look at, they're just going in the way, and I'm staying here. They don't even asking me that what are you doing. Okay, because they don't know. भैया ऐसा कुछ होता है ना कि हम लोग रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो कुछ ऐसा होता है, तो ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? न, जैसे कुछ होता है कि पब्लिक से हमें लगता है कि हम लोग रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, तो लोग कुछ सोचते हैं क्या? कुछ नहीं सोचते हैं. So buddy, nobody thinks about you. Just look at, everybody is busy in themselves, and I'm busy here in myself. So just record yourself in front of public, among the public, and remove the fear which is keeping inside your heart.